Are you thinking about having your own YouTube channel to make an impact on other people's lives, but you're not quite sure how to get started? Or perhaps you've got your own YouTube channel already, but it's not really grown to the level you really desire. Hi, I'm Emma Bell Drew, and I'm the creator and artist behind My Vox Songs YouTube channel, which has nearly 500 million views. As a YouTube creator for over a decade, a VidCon speaker, an author, a YouTube consultant, and now YouTube coach, I know the power of using YouTube to build your community and brand. Whatever your niche or reasons for wanting a channel, I'm passionate about helping you fast-track your YouTube success using my tried and tested principles. Now I have my very own YouTube starter kit, which is absolutely free and you can download your copy right now. I really want to share my knowledge and experience so that you can quickly and confidently make a difference in the world using YouTube. Obviously, making video is an important part of YouTube, but what's more important is to know how to optimize and manage your YouTube journey. If you want help with your YouTube channel, I have my very own YouTube starter kit, which is absolutely free and you can download your copy today, right now.